Hello everyone, today let us study about the speciality of Israel defense system that intercepted 99% of missile and drones launched by Iran. So there are majorly four types of defense system of Israel. First is Iron Dome defense system with 90% success rate, and second is Spyder. Both have ranges approx 100 square kilometer. Then comes David Sling. It has range of 40 to 300 square kilometer, and then comes the Arrow which has the range of 2400 square kilometer. Also Iran and Israel minimum distance was 1000 kilometers. So Arrow defense system played a very important role in total defense system of Israel recently. So let us now know individually about each one of them. First is Iron Dome. It is Israel's indigenous short-range defense systems developed by Rafael Advanced Defense Systems for short-range rockets and shells. It is world's most successful. As I already told, it has 90% success rate. Also, it is only multi-mission system in the whole world to defeat very short range air defense system as well as rocket artillery threats. Second is the Spyder defense system. It is a multi-range mobile air defense system that defends large areas, but it covers range of 100 km as I told earlier. It does this by fighter, bomber aircrafts, helicopters, cruise missiles or unmanned aerial vehicles. Now, third is the David Sling or Stunner defense system. It is a medium range air defense system. It is known to intercept ballistic, cruise missiles, and longer range rockets. But it is not an indigenous developed air defense system. It is developed by Rafael plus the American defense contractor. Now the last one, which is the Arrow defense system, it is an anti-ballistic missile that is a hypersonic, and the long range missiles interception is included in it. It is the most modern till now to intercept such kind of missiles. Also it targets upper atmosphere target up to 62 miles with its range, as I already told, 2400 kilometer or 1400 miles. But it is not an indigenous develop, it is developed within collaboration with US. So the last two defense system, Arrow and David Sling, is developed with collaboration with US, but the starting two, that is the Iron Dome and the Spyder, it is developed indigenously by Israel. Thank you everyone. Do like, share and subscribe.